Welcome to the Vale Model Townhome by D.R. Horton. This townhome features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and 1,758 square feet. When you enter, your half bath and guest bath is right upon entry next to the stairs that lead upstairs. As you enter, you'll notice that it has a very large open concept with a dining room, living room, and kitchen combo. The design of the kitchen allows for an island, which opens up the kitchen and makes it great for entertaining. As we head upstairs, we'll stop and take a look at the pantry, which also has good use of the understairs storage area. Now let's head upstairs and explore the bedrooms. Along with the bedrooms, you will find a nice sized loft area and laundry right at the top of the stairs. Towards the back of the home, you'll find the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom includes an ensuite bath, plus a very unique feature for a townhome. It also includes dual walk-in closets. So here you'll find the first closet that's actually attached to the bathroom. And then adjacent to the bedroom, the second walk-in closet. As we head back through the loft, we'll visit the other 2 bedrooms, which also feature a very unique option, including a Jack and Jill bathroom. So bedroom number 2 here is being used as a home gym, as you can see, with the shared bath that has separate vanity and tub shower combo, but access to both bedrooms. And now here's bedroom number 3, and again with that private access to the bathroom. Thank you so much for touring the Vale Townhome by D.R. Horton. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.